In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Anova Bluetooth and Wi-Fi precision cooker to your phone step by step. This lets you control your cooker remotely for perfect results every time. First, plug in your Anova Precision Cooker and turn it on. Next, download and open the Anova Culinary app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. For Bluetooth connection, make sure you're within range, then tap Add Device in the app and select your Anova cooker from the list. Follow any prompts to complete pairing. For Wi-Fi connection, press and hold the power button on your cooker until the Wi-Fi indicator starts blinking. In the app, select your cooker and follow instructions to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can control temperature, set timers, and access recipes right from your phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart kitchen guides.